Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the Redragon K688 full-size mechanical keyboard. So this is a 100% mechanical keyboard and it sounds pretty dang good for $60 on Amazon. So a very budget mechanical keyboard in 2025. I'm going to do a full sound test, a review of the RGB, build quality, all of that. I do a ton of keyboard reviews and I always link the keyboards down below. So let's get into it. All right, let's get into the unboxing of the Braggy Pro from Redragon. This is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless mechanical keyboard. And as you can see, this is a 100% keyboard with a knob. So you love to see that. Right away, we've got the keyboard right here. I do like the color scheme of this a lot. It's nice and simple. Sometimes I feel like the color schemes get a little too crazy. So this is what the keyboard looks like. Let's quickly check what the other items are. The first thing that kind of catches my eye is the F and J key indicators are different than normal. They've got the 3 dots instead of the line. So that's interesting. Then we've got our cable right here. This is unfortunately not braided or anything special, just a rubber cable. Nothing too crazy there. This is a right angle at least. And then other than that, it comes with a switch and keycap puller. That's pretty standard. So let's do a quick flex test. Pretty flexible, this one. It is 100%, so it's got a little more surface area to cover. What else am I looking at here? So we've got the nice black keys mixed in with the gray and the white. The knob right here is plastic. The whole build kind of appears to be plastic. What does it say right here? Ready for battle. And then on the back side here, we've got the 2 feet, so the smaller and then the larger. It's always nice to see. Over here, we have the key fob or the USB fob right here. So this keyboard does work with the fob, or it can do Bluetooth and or cabled, and you can set it to a Mac or windowed version. So let's go ahead and get into the sound test. I'm pretty excited. This one actually sounds pretty good. So let's get into it. So similar to a lot of keyboards, if you do the function plus the insert key, you get your different RGB modes. So let's see if I can just show you guys the different ones. Pretty standard options. You got the waves, you got the pulses, you got the in and out, all the different kind of RGB color waves. But always nice to have the customization there. I will probably leave this off. But overall, I would say a very good keyboard from Redragon. If you need a 100%, this is a good option, and I will leave a product link down below to this. Very much appreciated if you support the channel by using that link for this keyboard or for anything on Amazon. If you like keyboard reviews, I'll leave all my Amazon keyboard reviews up here on the way out. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews, guys.